Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to track your order on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account. At the bottom right corner of your screen, go to section My Orders right here, and now you want to find order that you want to track and click button track order, or also it can say view details. So now your screen should look similar to this screenshot that I have. This is tracking information page where basically you can see your estimate delivery time, your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates right here. So my screenshot says that, for example, you can see shipping ready for dispatch line, or it can say arrived at sorting center, or ready for delivery, etc. But for example, if you don't like this built-in tracker, you can copy your tracking number by tapping this icon, which will copy your tracking number for you and pasting it to universal tracker like 17 track website. This is the tracker that AliExpress suggests me that I use. Or you can use any other tracker, because it doesn't really matter, because they work according to similar principle. And there you can see even more detailed shipping updates. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.